Emulsion. Ito yung film na kaharap yung lens ng camera. Pag nag-take ng pictures, this is the thin layer of gelatin na nagko-consist ng light-sensitive silver halides. Base. Ito naman yung suporta or humahawak para maging intact place yung emulsion. Anti-halation layer. Parang tinted car siya. This prevent light to reflect from the base back into the emulsion. Gelatin anti-halation layer. It prevents the light to reflect back to the emulsion layer. If doesn't exist, maaring makakos ng halo effect na pwedeng makapekto sa image quality. Anti-curl backing. From the name itself, piniprevent niya mag-curl ang film during the process. Adhesion promotion layer. Ito naman ay sinisigurado niya na nakastick together ang mga layers. Film base. Ito yung plastic or acetate na sumusuporta sa ibang layers. Emulsion layers. Contains light, sensitive silver halides na kumukuha ng mga pictures. Gelatin protective coating. Ito naman ay piniprevent niyang magkasira or gasgas yung emulsion layer.